Today I want to show you my latest Walmart clearance items. The majority of these deals are grocery type items, but I have a few other eye-popping bargains I want to show you at the end of the video. If you have a cat, you should love this video. Several Walmarts I went to had cat food on clearance. I got 22 pounds of Meow Mix, regularly $15.83 for $11. I'm including the barcodes of these items in case you want to scan them to see if your store has marked them down too. We have 3 cats and this is their favorite cat food, so we were very happy to find this. They also had Friskies 22-pound bags on clearance. Apparently they're getting rid of the 22-pound bag size. We picked up a small bag of Special Kitties dry cat food to see if our picky eaters would like it, and turns out they do. This was only $1.50. Some varieties of Friskies canned cat food was marked down. It wasn't all varieties, just some of them. They were regularly 54 cents and they were only a quarter. We also found some cans of Special Kitty for just 10 cents. Now, some stores had a lot of cat food marked down. Others look like they haven't started their cat food clearance yet. So if your store hasn't started marking down their cat food yet, you're actually lucky because you can keep checking on it and maybe be able to pick up some deals ahead of the rest of the crowd. Because one thing that is worse than seeing no clearance signs is walking into the store and seeing this. That's right, 3 cents. Walmart has officially lost their mind, and we missed out on that 3-cent cat food. I'm still finding deals on the bacon aisle, but at this point they are mostly hidden clearances. If you saw my last video, you know how to find these. I got lemon cake mix for 25 cents. To frost the lemon cake, I got yellow funfetti frosting. I plan on adding lemon juice to it and saving the sprinkles for something else. It was also 25 cents. I bought another perfect size chocolate cake for 50 cents. Remember the mug treats I bought for 75 cents? Well, I really like those, but I found that Betty Crocker's blueberry muffin mix that you just add milk or water to is the same thing, just packaged differently. This makes a quick, easy breakfast, and if you can pick these muffin mixes up for 25 cents, that's 3 quick, easy breakfasts for just a quarter. All you have to do is put half a cup of mix in a microwavable dish. I found that these little Pyrex bowls work better than a coffee cup. Add 3 tablespoons of milk or water. Mix well and microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds. And here it is. Now, it's not the beautiful brown muffin that you're used to seeing from the oven, but come on people, it's a quick easy breakfast, 3 for 25 cents. It's actually good and a very welcome change from oatmeal, that's for sure. And no, it's not rubbery, it has the same texture of a baked muffin. I also found some chocolate chip muffin mix, another hidden clearance for 25 cents. And honey brand muffin mix. I expected these to be bland, but they're not. These muffins are very sweet, and again, they were just a quarter. I found sugar cookie mix for 25 cents, and peanut butter cookie mix is still out there for a quarter. I actually found some rice on clearance. 5 pounds of parboiled rice for $2.50. Now back to more sweets. Hey, that's what's on clearance right now. Smucker's caramel topping was 50 cents, and there is a big maple syrup clearance going on. This maple syrup, regularly $6.88, was $1.75. This maple syrup is coffee infused. I can't wait to try this because I love maple flavored coffee. Regularly $9.97. At one store it was $7, at another it was $2.50. Of course, I paid $2.50. Best by date of February 2021. They also had a salted caramel flavor. Be sure to shop around for the best deals. They had several other syrups on clearance and even a few pancake mixes too. There's even hidden clearances at the checkout counters. These Mounds bars, regularly 88 cents, are just a quarter. They have wax cubes that you melt to make your house smell good. Some fragrances have been marked down to 10 cents. The only one we could find was the warm fall leaves. Character type lip balms were 49 cents. You always need lip balm. I got some Yardley English lavender soap. This really smells good. It's just 10 cents a bar. And believe it or not, I'm still finding soft soap in the older bottles, now 75 cents. And here's some conditioners we picked up from the clearance rack. I hope y'all can find some of these too. I got a bottle of Fantastic, regularly $2.26 for $1.50. And we found even more seafood on clearance. I'm not going to pull it out of the freezer, but here's some of the deals we found. We also bought what I think are the last two pecan pies out there for $1 each, and there's a deal on Nesquik strawberry milk that I keep missing, regularly $4.98 for $1.25. Now for the eye-popping deals. We bought some children's winter coats, regularly $19.62 for $1 each. Winter is almost over, but you can predict what size children will need next year. And don't forget that charities are always asking for winter coats at Christmas time. Now think of this. We bought 15 coats for less than the price of one. We bought Barbie farm sets, regularly $49.88 for just $5. This one hasn't gone on clearance yet at most Walmarts. I don't know why this store marked it down so fast, but trust me, it will go on clearance everywhere. They mark sets like this from $50 to $25, then $15, then $5, so you'll know what to watch for. And the most eye-popping deal of all, and I've seen plenty of these out there, they don't seem to be selling at all, so I expect other Walmarts to eventually drastically mark theirs down too. But this has a MSRP of $149. The sticker here says it was I think $79, and we bought it for just $5. This is really cute. It comes in a unicorn version and a little brown horse version, and it sings, and its mouth moves when it sings, and it makes a clip clopping sound when they're bouncing on it and all. Really cute. And once again, don't forget that Toys for Tots is always looking for toys, and they say they have a real hard time getting donations for smaller children. So if you run across this one, keep that in mind. So that's my Walmart clearance deals today. I hope y'all are finding them too, and I hope it helps.